How many of y'all believe? How many of y'all lady means that it's a man's world? I do. So here's a song about it. It wasn't me not cheat. I was born in the city. I see some man and I'm looking so hot. His gold teeth and his pants on the ground. You know what I'm thinking? It's a man's world. It's a man's world. When you look over there, you see a man with a machine. The girl thinking that he's so hot, I think. You thinking he's gold and he looking like this. You got something wrong, cause it's a man's world. It's a mean I cheat man's world. It's a rock and roll man's world. It's a rock and roll man's world. It's a basketball player and his name is Dirk. It's so hot cause he's a man's world. He's in the man's world. There's a girl Marquis, diamond brown. She's smoking those jeans and she's working so fast. She got the top tie and she's looking so fine.